In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect a new PS5 controller. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say, you might have just bought a brand new controller and you want to connect it as your main controller or use it for split screen with friends. The good news is it's actually super easy to do this, whether you're connecting it to a PS5, PS5 Pro, or even a PS4. The settings are pretty much the exact same. The easiest way to do this, I will say, is by using a USB-C cable. Doesn't matter which USB-C cable you have, just take any of them, like the one that came with your PS5, for example, plug one into the PlayStation 5 console and the other end into your new PS5 controller. Once connected with the cable, press the PlayStation button in the center of the controller, and it's going to ask you who's using this controller. Simply select that user profile, and then you can assign it to them. And it really is as simple as that. As soon as you go ahead and do that, the controller is going to be connected and ready to use no matter what game you're trying to play. But yeah, if this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.